If the majority of your movement in these quarantine days looks a little something like this or like this, let me help you out. Not only is it difficult to work out, period, but it's extremely difficult to work out your upper body muscles without access to dumbbells or equipment. So I've got my creative juices flowing and I'm going to show you my top 4 upper body exercises with no equipment needed. Now you will need a chair, but I'm sure you have that laying around your house. Prop it up against a wall for this first exercise. This is an incline push-up. You'll place your hands on the chair, lower yourself all the way down, make sure your body stays straight. This will actually hit the lower part of the chest muscles. Now we have a decline push-up. This one is tricky, but it's doable. You'll put your feet on the chair, your hands go on the floor. Again, a straight body with your core nice and tight is key to preventing injuries. Come down all the way until your nose touches the ground. Next, we've got some tricep dips. You'll use the chair, place your hands on the front part of the chair, keep your body close as you lower all the way down to make 90-degree angles at your elbows. Make sure you're breathing as you do this exercise. And our final one, to hit the shoulders and the back muscles, you'll start in a plank position and you'll lift one foot at a time, keeping your legs straight. Do as many reps of all of those exercises as you can. Rest 1 to 2 minutes and repeat the circuit a total of 5 times. Yes, that's about 30 minutes of work, but guess what? That is more effective at burning calories than an hour of cardio. Good luck, my friends.